everybody needs to have a beacon, a probe, and a shovel. You want to always have your beacon on the inside of your jacket so it doesn't come off if you get caught in an avalanche.
All your stuff with you. You don't want to whip your pack off at the bottom because you're running around. Keep it all with you. You're going to need everything in your pack to help that person that's buried in the
You're only exposing one person at a time, and everybody else is watching from a safer location. So if an avalanche happens, it catches one person, and you guys need to keep a really close eye on exactly where he got caught and watch him all the way down until you don't see him anymore, and that's your last seen location.
Someone who's with him that saw the last seen place, that's super important to figure that out because it can help really minimize that search area. Avalanche. They're going to follow the flow.
Watch out for hang fire and try to find a safe way onto the bed surface. If you have more than one rescuer, you can split the avalanche path, but if it's only one of you, you have to traverse back and forth across the path to try to pick up the
modern
signal.
Beacons are really good, they're really efficient, and they're really easy. You basically follow the arrows, and the numbers that are given to you on the screen decrease, and that's the distance you are away from.
And you don't ever turn it like this. You keep it right in front of you and you turn your body.
Really, you just follow the arrows and try to make those numbers come down. And that'll bring you right to the beacon. And so you come in fairly quickly, and then as you get closer, you slow down. And then, of course, since the beacon is buried, you get down low to the ground.
I think that's it. You kind of start in the middle and work in a concentric circle, like an ever-increasing circle. And you be methodical about it because you don't want to waste time by probing the same place twice. And then all of a sudden I get to the end of my little spiral and I'm like, darn it, I really thought it was there. I have to readjust in one direction or the other. And I've got four choices. I can move forward, I can move backward, I can move right and left. And you can do that really quickly.
Okay.
You can do it really quickly. Is checking places where they're likely to have gotten hung up. Maybe there's a tree that was right in their line. Maybe they got pushed to the outside if there was a curve. If there's a bench in the avalanche path, sometimes debris fills up on that bench, makes a little pile, and the rest of it might go down. You have to be really methodical about that. Look for surface clues, right? They're going to hopefully be in line with the person.
If you only have a couple of searchers, it's probably best to continue to do spot probing of the likely areas. If you have, say, 4 or more people, then you should organize them into probe lines, but only after doing a complete initial search of the debris. For a small group of searchers, the 3-hole probe has the highest probability of finding someone. Line up fingertip to fingertip, then probe 3 times, left, center, and right, keeping the holes about 60 centimeters or 2 feet apart.
So it's the job of the front person to be the chunker. And they're literally going to chunk the snow and just pull it down behind them. And everybody behind, your job is to clear it out of the way.
Clear it.
Andrew, as strong as he is, young and strong, he can only go hard at this for a couple of minutes. 4 minutes max. Again, rotate clockwise. There you go.